Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone so readings are accurate. Make sure the battery is above 30% and remove any case that traps heat. Heat skews results. Once done, unlock the S22 Ultra, connect to Wi-Fi, and close background apps. Now open Settings, tap Battery and Device Care, then Battery. You're in the right place to run tests and view stats. This first step ensures the phone isn't under temporary load, which would otherwise give misleading health data. Now you'll dig into detailed usage to identify real battery wear. Tap Battery then Usage since full charge to spot apps that drain power quickly. Make sure to check screen on time and background activity. Frequent spikes mean app or OS issues rather than battery failure. Once you've noted patterns, open the Samsung Members app and run diagnostics. It includes a battery health check. This gives a quick pass/fail and voltage info. If numbers look abnormal, you'll know to investigate. For a final, more precise assessment, you can use ADB commands or a trusted third-party app to read cycle count and estimated capacity. This shows real degradation. Compare measured capacity to the original. Generally, you expect above 80% for healthy batteries. If capacity is fine but drains continue, restart in safe mode to rule out apps and only then consider a factory reset. If you still see rapid loss or odd charging behavior, replace the battery or contact Samsung service. One key troubleshooting tip: boot to safe mode first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.